Welcome back to the Curtain Boutique, a family-owned business nestled in the heart of Bedfordshire, in a little village in the English countryside.
When you get to a join, flatten it out with your fingers, turn it there, and you'll see the join is going like that, so you don't see it as much.
You may have visited our channel before, maybe to get some tips on how to make your own soft furnishings for your home, or even how to start your own interior design company.
Oh, this is a piping foot.
This is a piping foot. It's got like a little groove there where the piping goes into the groove, and then the needle sits right on this side of the piping. So it butts up really nice and tightly, and it makes it look really professional.
Recommended tools page. We share our videos every Monday, and so far Sandy, that's my mum, has shared a plethora of skills and techniques and tips that she's been practicing ever since I was born 40 years ago. But what you might not realise is that not only do we share and teach the craft of hand sewing curtains, blinds, helmets
that are going in the window,
cushions, you name it.
Get the book out if you want. So this is our window treatment. This is what we're using.
But we are also a fully functioning boutique, open 5 days a week, providing beautiful, unique, bespoke, tailor-made soft furnishing creations for our real-life clients. So today's video is going to give you another little glimpse into the workings of the shop, the way that we do what we do, what's on the bench, and jobs we're currently working on.
This is a Victorian glasshouse collection, and we're going to be using a couple of fabrics within this. We are going to be using this lovely fabric and this lovely one, and also this one, which we're also making cushions from. This one here with the trees.
Oh, cute.
Which is this.
Lovely.
And then the other cushion is going to be the lovely one with the oranges. And on the back of each of these, I'm doing this lovely orange.
Gorgeous.
A linen mix. And then this is one of the curtains in the window with the orange berries, which looks lovely.
Oh yeah, there's a cushion there.
Yeah.
So we're doing one of those?
Yeah. We're doing obviously that one, which I've just shown you. The reverse facing the actual shop is that one.
Right.
And then the other one on the outside facing the actual road outside is this one, with this one on the other side, orange.
Yeah, that looks lovely. It picks up those tones in
there on the window there.
When we showed you around our shop in spring, we mentioned that we were right next door to a delicious delicatessen cake shop. They do sandwiches and coffees and teas and all kinds of yummy things. We often joke that we might be their #1 customers. I know what it's like, you know, when you get to the end of the shift and there's always one that comes in. But one latte. And I think I'll have the same, please, but I haven't got a flask.
Yeah, that's no problem.
Just a takeaway cup. Thank you. But being right next door is a little bit too tempting not to indulge in something delicious. And while we're here, we're going to read up about some other local businesses also. We're fortunate enough to be included in a network of independent small businesses based in and around Bedfordshire, and to be able to sneak in at closing time. The independent businesses locally help things feel unique, authentic. We really enjoy living and working out here. So, heading back to the shop with our coffee, checking out the lovely window display. We change the window displays and the plants outside of the shop frequently. but we're always spoilt for choice when it comes to what fabrics to display and which of the creations.
Jesus, you made me jump. Sorry, just done the blinds. That look alright.
Just completed this beautiful Roman blind. Just taking pride of place in a contrasting colour to that of the Victorian glasshouse fabrics from this collection here. And I am in love with some of these big, bold, bright, colourful fabrics that are on the market at the moment. We finally got round to covering that bench in a new fresh lining. So if you've been here for a while, you'll know that that's been a job we've been meaning to do for a while. Alas, with this many beautiful flowers coming into bloom, priorities sometimes change. So one of the services that we offer here at the Curtain Boutique for our clients is a curtain and blind hanging and fitting service, whereby we visit our clients in their homes and we hang and dress the curtains. So here we're watching Sandy on a little stool and one of our fitters, Richard, fitting a recent job that we were delighted to make for this particular client. As you can see, not only was this a beautiful window to dress, but also encompassed a beautiful view. And we were really excited to see how this job would turn out and how a beautiful pair of elegant pinch pleats could frame a window like this. The windows belong to a beautiful manor house situated on a farm in a neighbouring village. And the client has chosen this wrought iron style pole, complete with ball finials by Hallis Hudson. We have created most of the curtains for the downstairs of this particular manor house, but in today's video we're just hanging the upstairs, the master bedroom and ensuite bathroom. The client had chosen to dress her windows with interlined, bespoke, hand-sewn at the sides, pinch pleat curtains in the fabric Parker by Live, in the colour cream. So we made 2 pairs of curtains like this, and for the ensuite bathroom created a Roman blind. We're always really careful when we're hanging jobs in people's houses, and we like to make sure that we tidy up after ourselves, so the dustbuster style Hoover vacuum cleaner does certainly come in handy. And how long it takes us to hang a job like this can really vary window to window. This job was fairly straightforward, fortunately. Once the curtains are hung, we'll take our time to dress the pleats, make sure that they're sitting beautifully. And they are ready for their close-ups. Looking very elegant, stylish, and framing this window beautifully. Okay, so here we are in the bathroom where there is another pinch pleat curtain and the Roman blind that we mentioned. This Roman blind is in a fabric by Ian Mankin, and it just looks perfect there. The blind itself is a cascading waterfall style of blind. And we covered how to make that kind of blind in a very recent tutorial, so we will link it below. But ultimately, a very successful fitting, a very happy client, and a beautiful day all round. It's such a pleasure to share our passion for interior design, curtain making, blind making, and soft furnishings in general. Thank you very much for spending your time with us this evening. If you've got any recommendations for any video tutorials that you would like to see, anything that you really want to try your hand at but you're not confident enough and you'd maybe like a little bit of extra advice, we are in the midst of launching our membership, which will hopefully fill that spot for you. But if not, you know where we are. Please do leave us a comment or get in touch, and we'd love to help. Take care. See you next week.